Imagine you spent years building the world's smartest AI. Billions of dollars, thousands of GPU, enough electricity to make your local power grid nervous. And then someone just talks to it a lot, like 29 million times. Because according to Anthropic, operators allegedly linked to Alibaba's Qwen AI lab created nearly 25,000 fake accounts and generated over 28.8 million interactions with Claude. And the goal allegedly wasn't to get free coding advice. It was to learn how Claude thinks. This is called AI distillation. Basically, you ask a smarter model enough carefully targeted questions, collect the answers, and use them to train your own model. It's like copying someone's homework. Except the homework is a frontier AI model worth billions of dollars. So instead of train model from scratch, the alleged strategy was basically, while true, do ask _Claude, done. Anthropic says the attackers specifically targeted capabilities like software engineering, reasoning, and long-term planning, which creates a very developer problem. With normal software, you can protect the source code, but with an AI, the source code isn't necessarily the valuable part. The behavior is, and every API call potentially gives someone another sample. So now AI companies don't just need firewalls. They need rate limiting strong enough to stop someone from reverse engineering their entire intelligence through the API. And yes, there is some irony here. Anthropic recently had a pretty awkward source code leak involving Claude Code. So apparently AI security in 2026 is, don't steal our model. Also, please ignore the source code we accidentally dropped. To be clear, these are still allegations from Anthropic, not proven facts, and Alibaba had not publicly responded at the time of the original reporting. But this could become one of the biggest problems in the AI race, because the question might no longer be who can build the smartest model. It might be who can stop 25,000 fake accounts from running npm install intelligence. Before you go, if you're building a website, AI app, or any side project, make sure to secure your domain early before someone else grabs it. I recommend Namecheap. They've been my go-to for domains, hosting, SSL, and more. Check out the link in the description for exclusive Namecheap deals, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more videos on web development, AI, and the latest developer tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.